늦은 밤 일을 마치고 퇴근하는 리아. 그때 누군가 리아를 납치하고 어딘가에서 깨어난 리아.
Hello?
옆방엔 의문의 남자가 있었고 벽돌로 둘러싸인 대저택. 결국 리아는 다시 쓰러지죠. 한편 이곳엔 리아 말고도 8명의 사람들이 더 있었는데 이들 모두 여기가 어딘지 자신이 왜 여기 있는지 모르는 상태였죠.
Now you know how you got here. Sure, you're all one mice in a laboratory. Leave $5 million for his walk out of this house alive.
Who the fuck was that?
Fucking hell.
To get the fuck out of here now, man!
Only one will live. What does that mean? What, is someone going to kill us?
No, that's not what they're gonna. Because they left me here with this.
Did you get that?
Relax. I'm a cop.
One of us with a gun, and it's a fucking white cop. Last time I saw one of those, it was in my little brother's head.
Well, that wasn't me, was it?
시작부터 갈등을 빚는 사람들.
You know, we could put this energy to better use.
Find a way out of here.
Exactly.
Ready, guys? On 3.
이들은 식탁으로 문을 부수려는데
Let's split up and check the entire house.
흩어져서 탈출구를 찾아보는 사람들.
Better back, come on.
이곳은 절대 탈출이 불가능한 곳이었죠.
Did you all forget what the man said? I think one of us will get out of here. You thought about that?
$5 million's a lot of money.
People will do anything for that.
Sure, I said nobody's playing this game.
There'll be no killer.
And anybody does anything like that.
We'll wait and we'll see who will do what.
What was that?
그때 음식이 나오고
One piece of chicken and one potato for each. We're gonna save the rest.
I'll eat what I want when I want, thank you.
Yeah, I didn't make myself. One piece of chicken and one potato.
This is fucking cold.
I don't eat meat.
Cool.
Hey, wait. Listen, split that up between... Yeah?
It's going back with the rest.
We do not even know each other. My name is Father Michael Duffy. Now, who might you be?
I'm Jay.
I'm Cynthia, and this is my husband Francis.
Max, clothing designer.
Not Max Roy, are you? I met you years ago in New York.
That's you. Claire Levy.
Yeah.
Levy, everyone. The big tennis star.
I'm Leah.
Wow, the chorus.
Yeah.
Have you been dancing for?
Sure, no. If I don't get out of here by tomorrow, I'm going back.
With a record label last night. Rowdy. That's why they call me Al B.
정말 다양한 직업군을 가진 가지각색의 사람들.
Oi! What the fuck are you doing?
Look nice. Where was that?
Any of your business, but I was doing a photo shoot.
Looks to me like all you do is get dressed up and get drunk at parties.
리아는 경찰 제이와 한 방을 쓰게 되는데
Do you have a family?
I did. I got one son and he's just starting school. Yeah, it's not easy living with a cop. You? Are you married?
No, too young for that. It's like a bad dream.
And unite us in bonds of love.
That's a lot of money. Money your family used.
Prepared to kill to get it back.
2 years you haven't been prepared to do anything, but
Made any money since before we got married.
I'm an artist.
그때 누군가 제이의 총을 노리고
Who was just in here?
What are you talking about?
Somebody was just in here looking for this.
All us blacks are the same, ain't we, innit?
Please, we must keep our differences out of the...
결국 다시 거실에 모인 사람들.
The thing that I need to get through this is in the drinks cabinet.
What was that?
What?
Listen.
그때 어디선가 소리가 들려오고 좌절하는 사람들. 결국 술판이 일어나고
No, let me turn off this shit.
프란시스는 건물 곳곳 무기를 준비했죠. 그때 프란시스의 부인에게 들이대는 흑형.
What do you think it's doing?
그때 흑형이 실수로 프란시스의 부인을 죽게 만들고 말죠.
They both came at me. I just tried to push her off me, yeah, and she tried. Shut up!
결국 독방에 수감되는 흑형.
Bitch, man!
Start to rash. He's sending me less food this time.
Just give him something.
Here. Where's the priest?
그때 신부님이 오지랖을 부려버리고 의외로 일찍 리타이어하는 제이. 제이는 신부님에게 총을 건네주죠.
Good work? What's that supposed to mean?
Why is there so much more?
Say I didn't want it, did I?
What do you want?
Apparently, your friend over there. Extra food and some wine.
See that shit with your wife?
It was an accident. I know.
한편 이제 밥도 따로 떨어져서 먹는 사람들. 그런데 스스로 목숨을 끊은 흑형.
You know, I hate to say it. Francis, I don't trust him. Claire and Shauna are... Leah, she's so sweet, but I can still rely on you. Can I still rely on you, Mac? Portion-wise.
그때 리아에게 프란시스가 접근하고 감전당하는 리아.
I told you, don't touch my. Trying it on. It's cheap shit anyway.
나머지 여자들 중에서도 살인이 일어나죠.
Let's go. Oh, blessed Mary.
It's about dinner time, Father. There'll be more than this.
Heartless bastard.
Right! Shoot me then! Come on, shoot me! Do it! Shoot me! Yeah!
그때 리아가 다시 깨어나고 결국 프란시스를 쏴버리는 신부님. 그 와중에 조용히 있던 디자이너가 갑자기 여자를 죽이려 하고 결국 또 손에 피를 묻히는 신부님. 그런데 살아있던 프란시스가 여자를 살해하고 말죠. 결국 신부님도 최후를 맞이하고
I won!
리아에게 향하는 프란시스.
Leah! Hey, my chorus dancer! Hey.
결국 프란시스가 최후를 맞이하죠. 얼떨결에 최후의 1인이 된 리아. 그런데 또 다른 게임이 펼쳐진 것을 암시하며 영화는 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 하우스 오브 나인이었습니다. 멀지 않은 미래의 지구. 지구는 해수면 상승과 자원 고갈로 매년 5%의 인구를 삭감해야 했고, 이에 따라 미국의 모든 학생들은 1년마다 한 번씩 떨어지면 죽는 시험을 봐야 하는 말도 안 되는 법이 제정되고 마는데, 이 시험의 이름은 더 시니.
Product rule to find the derivative.
주인공 레이나는 전교 1등으로 학생들에게 공부를 가르쳤는데,
Can't learn this by default, Lena. Can't you just give them to me?
사실 학습 능력이 아닌 기술 개발 실력도 뛰어났던 레이나는 비밀 커닝 렌즈를 만들어 학생들에게 팔고 있었죠. 레이나가 이렇게까지 돈을 버는 이유는 바로 몸이 아픈 엄마 때문이었는데,
You're right there. Okay, guys, time to go. Mom, what are you doing?
I am.
갑자기 퇴원을 하려는 레이나의 엄마.
Mom, you need to be here. They can't treat you at home.
Her white blood cell count is not doing her.
죄 없는 학생들은 처형하면서 병원은 정상적으로 운영되는 아이러니한 미래의 모습. 한편 주지사의 아들 블레이크.
I honestly think I've done that to you like 19.
블레이크는 시험 전날 여친 엘리와 어쩌면 마지막이 될지도 모르는 일탈을 즐기죠.
I'm scared, Blake.
We're in this together. I'll take care of you.
다시 붙잡혀온 블레이크.
You want a Pop-Tart?
Sorry.
Look, no, I know that you don't really care. This girl,
Ellie.
but she's a distraction.
그렇게 시험 당일날이 찾아오고, 비싼 돈 주고 산 렌즈를 떨궈버린 불쌍한 친구. 넌 그냥 죽어라.
Lana.
About Lena.
Sorry, I was hoping that I could buy one of your.
I can't. Just gave the last one away.
Shit.
사실 레이나는 블레이크를 짝사랑 중이었고, 레이나의 친구 켈런이 등장하죠.
And there's less and less kids each.
I know, it's pretty tragic.
커닝 페이퍼를 들키고 도망치는 학생. 켈런은 뛰어난 해킹 실력으로 CCTV를 해킹하죠.
The news?
Very prominent news reporter on us all the time.
You're gonna be okay, okay?
그렇게 시험 시간이 다가오고,
Testing to begin in 15 minutes.
You'll have 2 hours to complete the test. It's on your own tablet.
생사를 건 시험이라기엔 너무나도 허술하게 진행되는 시험. 그렇게 시험이 끝나고,
Okay, here are the results.
Donald Green.
진짜 잔인한 방식으로 그야말로 잡혀가는 학생들.
Don't touch me.
He's on the move. He's on the move.
아니 멍청한 게 죄야?
Peter Strand.
Ellie Harper.
그리고 역시나 블레이크의 여친도 잡혀가죠.
Congratulations, you've all passed. Groom now.
Governor, on the phone.
Oh. I just heard the good news. Congratulations.
They took Ellie.
God.
We have to do something, Dad. Just make a...
You know I can't do that.
I can't lose her.
주지사도 어찌할 방법이 없었는데 왠지 주지사가 일부러 떨군 것 같은 예감도 드네요. 결국 사고를 쳐버리는 블레이크. 블레이크의 반격은 실패로 돌아가고 떨어진 친구들은 모두 처형당하죠. 또 죽음의 시험이 다가오고 머리로는 가망이 안 보이자 몸으로 때우려는 학생도 등장하죠.
Bar as tomorrow?
Worry about a thing.
선생님으로부터 합격 약속을 받아낸 여학생.
Corinne, watch your mother.
레이나의 엄마는 돌아가신 듯했고
Thank you so much.
Have someone to watch Joey tomorrow? Because if not, I know of a
담임 선생님이 그녀를 보살펴주죠.
if you need me.
Watching this video, I'm no longer alive.
How many sides does the Pentagon have?
5.
오늘부터 레이나의 여동생도 시험을 봐야 하는 나이가 됐고 아니 어린애들까지 이렇게 한다고?
You have a sit down with Greet the Press. Car will be ready for you at 11.
Hey, knock knock. I just wanted to say hey.
1년 전 사건으로 아빠를 완전히 쌩까는 블레이크.
I can't believe this is the last one. I don't know why I'm telling you this right now, but I'm sweating so much that my backpack is...
It's gross.
You gotta be a little bit relieved.
Not exactly.
The way, bitches. All-star quarterback. Represent!
새로운 양아치 캐릭터도 등장하고
Commence lockdown sequence. Progress.
Sir, I think you're gonna want to take a look at this.
주지사는 아들이 놓고 간 우편물을 발견하죠.
Is planet Earth. You see, Knot wasn't feeling so well. The ocean started to rise. Less land. More and more people. There's not enough room for everyone.
어린아이들을 세뇌시키는 듯한 기괴한 모습.
Will eliminate 5% of their population.
아니 여기 뭐 북한이야?
Watching this video, no longer alive. Today, I will be filling in.
블레이크는 오늘 일부러 시험에 떨어지려고 하네요.
When I'm home now.
Things already begun. The school's on complete lock.
This is Mason King.
아니 어린애들까지 이렇게 하는 게 역대급으로 기괴하긴 하네요.
Test is over. Nicole Chung.
올해에도 어김없이 또 끌려가는 탈락자들.
Sarah Foster.
뭐야 아니 얘는 살려줘야지 미친 노양심 성범죄자 선생아.
Congratulations. The rest of you passed.
And lastly, Lena Michaels.
그런데 우리의 전교 1등 모범생 레이나가 떨어졌다는 말도 안 되는 상황이 펼쳐지고
Is he safe? The transfers.
역시나 이는 주지사의 계략이었죠. 처형실로 끌려가는 학생들.
Wait, I'm Kendra Birch, Lena's teacher. Lena's the best student I've ever had. I find it very difficult to believe that she failed. There was a problem with her tablet.
King. There's no mistake. Proceed. Don't hold back.
No, I can't!
담임쌤은 레이나에게 몰래 교직원 키를 건네주고 친구들이 죽으러 갔는데 파티를 즐기는 학생들.
Frank Halloran, E.G. elect Governor Redding's son.
이 와중에 학생 킬러 선생은 또 한 명을 데려나가죠. 아니 이 주지사는 왜 이렇게 인기가 많아? 몰래 빠져나온 블레이크.
Prepare for decontamination. Remove all clothing.
이제 학생들의 옷까지 벗겨버리는 정부. 경비원을 제압하고 CCTV를 훔쳐보는 켈런. 그렇게 처형의 순간 블레이크가 전기를 내려버리죠. 탈출을 시도하는 레인.
Power's about 30 away.
Just get it done.
그때 레이나가 들켜버리는데
Miss Birch, I teach 10th to 12th grade.
그때 블레이크가 나타나 레이나를 구해주죠.
There's one on account of Miss Lena Michaels.
Blake?
Lauren failed the test.
It's Lena. No way I failed that test. What are you doing here?
I failed the test on purpose. Yeah, between a rock and a heart. Move the rock. I think I know where to go.
Level 4.
두 사람의 위치가 노출되고
Sir, it's passing you.
Down until this is done.
환기구 탈출은 이제 국룰이죠.
If I'm really keep the test. I just always lied to you.
죽음을 앞두고 짝사랑을 고백하는 레이나.
Yeah, the power out. There's not much we can do.
Right.
주지사에게도 이 상황이 전달되고
The school is still under lockdown. Should have been it hours ago.
King on the emergency line.
An ID. This is Mason King.
그때 환기구가 무너지는데 다행히도 아래는 수영장이었죠.
Power is on. The thinning continues. You understand? Zero room for failure.
Understood, sir.
이번엔 블레이크의 목숨을 구해주는 레이나.
Put these on.
두 사람 사이 묘한 기운이 흐르고 그때 칠칠맞게 교직원 키를 떨구는 레이나. 두 사람은 키를 되찾기 위해 잠시 과학실로 내려오고 레이나를 홀로 보내는 블레이크. 결국 블레이크는 들켜버리는데 레이나도 들킨 걸까요?
Blake.
Take care of that this inning.
알고 보니 경비원으로 위장한 블레이크.
But I could use a drink after this.
You want to join me for one later?
그때 레이나의 담임쌤이 성범죄자 선생의 키를 훔치죠. 무사히 제어실로 들어온 레이나. 레이나는 해커 친구 켈런에게 도움을 요청하죠.
Kellen.
Miss Birch, right? Keycard and ID. Very well. Keycard and ID.
I must have dropped it. Excuse me, mistake.
Everybody out. Where is she?
그렇게 참교육을 당하는 남자. 한편 전기가 다시 돌아오고
Oh my God, Lena.
레이나와 접선에 성공한 켈런. 레이나는 자신이 탈락이 아님을 알게 되죠. 학교의 부패가 하나둘 제보되고
Who's the source on this?
Footage was sent to us by a student side Vista Point High.
All units converge to the server room.
도주하는 레이나.
I was just told to move these students.
그때 경비병으로 위장한 블레이크가 친구들을 탈출시키려 하고
Identify yourself.
결국 붙잡힌 레이나와 제압당하는 블레이크.
I have proof. Pass that test.
Congratulations.
그러든 말든 레이나는 죽을 위기에 처하는데 레이나의 성적표를 전달받은 켈런. 켈런은 곧바로 이 자료를 방송사에 제보하죠.
We're going live right now.
Wendy, this hasn't been approved by the
News for a reason. We're going with this.
No, Lena.
무사히 모든 사실이 방송사에 밝혀지고
Test scores, possibly to favor or to evade or endure the thinning. Son of Governor Dean Reddick, despite having the lowest score at Vista Point High.
There's been a change. Need to revise the list.
결국 마음을 바꾸는 주지사. 다행히 모든 학생들은 처형 위기에서 벗어나죠.
Congratulations, you've passed.
블레이크와 마음을 확인하는 레이나.
Round them up.
그런데 갑자기 놈들이 블레이크를 끌고 가고 갑자기 럭비 선수 유망주 양아치 친구도 끌려가죠. 그렇게 모든 탈락자들은 다시 예정대로 처형되네요. 모든 상황이 종료되고 집으로 귀가하는 통과자들. 레이나의 동생도 무사히 통과했네요.
School-wide lockdown has been lifted. Trying day here in Austin.
주지사는 자신의 아들을 버리고 명예를 선택했죠. 그렇게 영화는 사실 후속편을 암시하며 끝이 났는데 그럼 그렇지 역시 탈락 학생들을 처형한 게 아니라 사실 강제 노역을 시키게 끌고 간 것이라 하네요. 죽은 줄 알았던 학생들 모두 살아있었고 블레이크를 중심으로 반란을 일으켜 결국 주지사의 폭로와 시험의 정체 모두 사회에 밝혀지며 더 시닝 테스트는 모두 폐지되는 그런 결말이라고 합니다.
Hello, this is the beginning. A film called The Wonder.
기상천외한 방식으로 시작하는 영화.
England, bound for Ireland. There sits a nurse.
아무튼 그렇게 주인공이자 간호사인 립이 등장하고 립은 수개월 동안 음식을 섭취하지 않았다는 소녀를 관찰하기 위해 잉글랜드에서 시골 마을로 출장을 떠나게 되죠.
You'll be the English nurse.
Your room.
Good morning.
The watch is to last 2 weeks.
Been decided.
Very well.
We are proposing 8-hour shift. Does that?
Ferring between the two of you.
Exactly has it been since the last time the girl ate?
4 months.
That's impossible.
어쨌든 소녀의 집으로 향하는 립.
She hasn't eaten in 4 months, is that correct?
That is correct.
And her appetite?
Never greedy.
May I see the girl?
Visitors at the minute.
Visitors.
All the time.
Mr. O'Donnell, how are you?
Hello, Anna. My name is Elizabeth Wright. You may call me Mrs. Wright.
그렇게 립은 처음으로 애나라는 소녀를 만나게 되죠.
You seem well, Anna. I'm here to watch, not prevent you from eating.
I don't need to eat. Full.
Your son is not home, Mr. O'Donnell. Pat's gone over. Got to keep him.
Should we go back?
No. Fresh air is good for your lungs. Those are big boots.
They're my brothers.
Are you hungry?
계속 애나를 떠보는 립.
Thank you.
Who's that one?
Saint Cecilia, patron of music.
Doesn't look like a child who's not eaten in.
Indeed.
Are you feeling well in yourself?
Very well, Father.
Anna is bothered by visitors. Serious study. We need quiet and isolation, Doctor.
립은 애나를 격리시켜주기를 요청하죠.
Waiting for the patient as well as yourself. That was rude. Wilburn, Daily Telegraph, over from London, like you.
He's not taking visitors.
Perhaps I could interview.
I would never speak about a patient.
What was the last thing Anna ate?
Flesh of our Saviour.
So just water and wheat.
No, Mrs. Not just water, and it's the body and blood of Christ. By the Bible you got going.
그날 밤 립은 애나의 방에서 수상한 물건을 발견하는데
Good morning, Anna.
Good morning.
Make up names for me. I'm gonna have to do the same for you.
Lizzie.
Should I call you Annie? Nancy.
Nan. I like Nan.
I owe you an apology. I knocked over one of your treasures, and I'm sorry.
이건 죽은 오빠의 머리카락이었죠.
You must miss him. Ending to soldiers, saying awful things.
Are they very sick?
Some of them were, yes. Open.
The souls in purgatory have to be burned to clean them.
무서운 말을 하는 애나.
Brothers in heaven, Anna.
We can't know that, Mrs. Slip.
한편 기자가 다시 등장하고
You may be on your way back to London.
I edited a man's daily dispatches on this. Beg for your help again.
I've watched her and my eyes burn. Nothing but water has passed her lips.
She's an actress.
애나를 향한 립의 의심은 점점 사라지고 있었죠.
From this point on, no one can come near her. Except for myself and Sister Michael, no one can touch her.
Good night.
You have to come between a child and his people.
확실한 검증을 위해 가족들도 접근 못하게 하는 립.
How is the wee faker?
She's not well. Does she seem starving?
Got some good tricks. On is she?
She is sincere.
Let me meet her.
I've forbidden the family from approaching her.
She could die.
Thank you, Maggie. Go upstairs, please, Anna.
I'm sorry. An objective report can touch her.
You are here only to watch.
Spit it out.
그때 애나의 이빨이 빠지고 기자를 찾아온 립.
I thought you didn't like me.
Like who I like.
I had a baby 3 weeks and 2 days.
I'm sorry. And your husband?
Just a few days after.
Morning, Anna. I'm Will. Barry.
결국 립은 기자에게 애나를 만나게 해주죠.
Call it a thaumatrope between your thumb and forefingers.
Is it trapped or is it free?
You to decide. Inside. Outside.
In. Out. Out.
한편 애나의 몸 상태가 악화되고
Mrs. O'Donnell, see that Anna's getting weaker.
She's been perfectly fine all these months till you kept her from us.
Ask her to eat.
She made me swear. But I'll ask her to eat again.
금식에 집착하는 애나의 의구심을 뿜는 립.
So, reporting any pain?
No, Anna never complains.
What if she's developed the capacity, as plants do?
Anna is in danger. Science, it's nonsense. Please, you need to stop the watch.
You are a nurse. Don't make a diagnosis.
고위 관계자들도 애나의 몸 상태엔 관심이 없었고
May I have something to eat, please? Open your mouth, please, Anna.
Mrs. Slip, no. It will hurt otherwise.
결국 억지로 애나에게 음식을 먹이는 립.
I'm sorry. Forgive me.
You're right.
I want to show you something.
Time, Anna. Come on.
Not here. Here.
그때 애나가 기자에게 무언가를 보여주려는데
I've submitted my word of my degrees. He's going to die.
Stop it.
Anna? Anna?
갑자기 쓰러진 애나.
How is she?
Why is she in that chair?
Just till Anna's back on her feet.
Breathe in.
위독해진 애나의 몸 상태. 그리고 밥을 먹던 립은 드디어 비밀을 눈치채게 되죠. 바로 애나의 엄마가 매일 주기적으로 애나와의 입맞춤을 통해 음식물을 먹이고 있던 것이었죠.
A mother's kiss is sacred.
Don't understand us.
I do understand. The mother spat chewed up food.
It was a holy secret.
It's what I'm here for, to find out the truth. What if your mother could kiss you again? Why won't you eat, Anna? What end, Anna? What for?
Soul will be released from hell.
Your brother.
He must be so close now. I have to save him.
이는 오빠를 위한 것이라는데
What did he do?
Double love. Sister. A wife.
How old are you?
9.
오빠와 부적절한 관계를 맺었던 애나.
And then he got sick. It wasn't holy. He was being punished.
That is not true, Anna.
I loved him back.
이에 립은 생각에 잠기고
Urgent information pertaining.
사실을 털어놓는 립.
Anna's mother, Mrs. O'Donnell, passing her food from her own mouth, cups her face and kisses her. Good morning. She feeds her daughter with eat like a bird. Have the answer. I am begging you, the effort in keeping this girl from dying.
Perhaps we might ask.
애나가 직접 등판하고
Anna Wright she has observed. Does your mother feed you mouth to yours?
Manna from heaven.
끝내 거짓말을 하는 애나.
Carry on with the watch as planned.
애나의 몸 상태는 이제 진짜 심각한 상태.
She's dying. She's chosen. I'm sure that's true in many ways. Abandoning Anna to die when you could, a terrible thing. For salvation. Perhaps you could kiss her goodnight again. My children will be in heaven.
애나의 부모도 완전히 세뇌되었고
That's insanity.
Fine, help, that's fine.
Fundamentally misunderstood these.
Child's life and they are killing her.
립은 애나를 데리고 도망치려 하죠.
It's kidnapping, Lib, in jail.
Don't you wish someone had fought for the lives of your family?
그렇게 거짓 알리바이를 작성하는 립.
God.
It's nearly done. It's going to God. What if once Anna died, you wake up? What might her name be?
Nan.
Of course.
립은 손쉽게 애나를 설득하죠.
All right, I'm here.
Goodbye, Anna. Nan.
Am I Nan?
Yes.
이제 음식을 먹는 애나. 아니 낸. 립은 모든 증거를 인멸해버리죠.
(8:49) Breathing distressed. 57 p.m. Death.
When she died, I was frantic. Tried to revive her. The lamp must have knocked it over.
You will remain here.
Does it hurt? Can I ask you something?
Has she gone to a better place? You promised me that.
립과 함께 애나를 돌보던 수녀도 눈치채고 있었네요.
For lack, body, fame has been declared dead. There is no one to blame.
다시 잉글랜드로 향하는 립. 그렇게 립은 애나와 기자와 함께 가족이 되었죠.
Names?
Elizabeth Cheshire.
Okay, Cheshire.
It's alright, love. Go on.
Nan Cheshire.
무사히 편안한 생활로 복귀에 성공한 애나. 그렇게 영화는 시작과 같이 세트장의 모습을 보여주며 끝이 납니다. 지금까지 영화 더 원더였습니다. 영상 재밌게 보셨나요? 영상 재밌으셨다면 구독과 좋아요 꼭 부탁드리고요. 짧은 리뷰 형식의 특성상 생략된 에피소드가 많으니 꼭 풀버전 감상을 추천드립니다. 그럼 저는 더 재밌는 영화로 돌아오겠습니다.